Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday 9th of August, and the market is once again looking pretty amazing, and Bitcoin has done the move to the upside. We've broken out of this symmetrical triangle. We came to a decision until before 11th of August and 10th of August, and I've been saying this is a decision that has to be huge, okay? And yeah, my personal opinion about it is going to remain the same, that whatever the decision really is this time is going to be huge. Now, I'm in here on the daily time frame, and this is going to be very short and brief and straight to the point kind of update. So right now, Bitcoin is breaking out of this level here on the daily time frame, and it's trying to hold that level. And today is Tuesday, so there's high chances, like nearly 90% chances of really holding this $23,800. And number two, I told you that this is also on the fib retracement, okay? So if I do take the top to the bottom here, you can see that you're really bouncing off the 0.618. So that's where you're looking for Bitcoin to really hold that level, okay? Now, not only are you holding this support level, not only are you holding the golden ratio, but you're really looking to now push to $26,000 once you do that, okay? So $26,000 is going to be the next technical target, okay, out of this thing. Now, keep in mind, we don't want to see Bitcoin ever go down to $22,038. You don't want to see that, okay? If by chance you start to lose this line and go a little bit further down, then you might actually come down to this trend line near $23,200, and that's absolutely okay. That is fine. But as far as I see the altcoins, and I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, there are chances that this is your bottom for today and you're looking to pump it up, because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the best days for Bitcoin to really go upside, and we are on those days. So it's nearly impossible for Bitcoin to go down right now, and it might hold this level, and that's logical because you're breaking the previous high, holding the previous high as support right now, and you're holding the golden ratio. It's Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Everything is clicking to the upside right now. Not only that, if I do bring in the EMAs right now, you're about to make that bull cross, okay? So you are above the 55, the 10, and the 20. All you need to do is come up here, make the cross, do the cross, touch the prices, and off you go to the upside, okay? That would be pretty much amazing. Now, that's the technical side of it. Now, it's really important to talk about how does a bear market really end? How do you know that the bear market is coming to the end? Now, there are three ways that you can identify the bear market has already come to an end. Now, the number one is going to be capitulation, and I'm going to show you what capitulation really means here. And it's all in the psychology of a market, by the way. This picture that you see is what I can say about, like, there's optimism, excitement, thrill, euphoria. And from the euphoria level, there's anxiety, denial, fear, panic, capitulation, and desperation. So capitulation is more like the big crash to the downside, in simple words, okay? So if I do dive into the weekly, I'm going to show you capitulation and how it really looks on a weekly time frame here. And that's like the coronavirus dump to the downside. Boom, just like this. All those black swan event that they say comes under the category of capitulation, basically, and then you get desperation, and then from there you go up to the upside, okay? The second thing that the bear market comes to an end is through accumulation. So if I do show you accumulation, it's like it's a place where there's a long holiday, the prices are moving sideways for a very long time, and that's when the end of the bear market actually comes for a coin. If I show you EPX right now, you might see accumulation on EPX. What I'm going to do is open up the daily here, and you can see that when the prices came down, this could be the end of the bear market for EPX, and that's a nice investing opportunity. From here, you might see this thing really moving to the upside. So that's just a bonus if you're watching the video. You just went to the downside, made accumulation, very long holiday and very long vacation, and this is for the final time that you really popped up, coming down maybe, and then from there you actually look to go to the upside. I don't know if CDK did the same. I'm just going to show you CTK as well. Yep, CDK did the same, okay? Went to the downside, made accumulation, huge accumulation, and you can see that came to the end, and then you move to the upside. Now, that's the second thing that you end the bear market with. Now, the third one is going to be good news, actually. So let's say you do get a new news that, oh, Bitcoin ETF is now approved. Okay, Bitcoin is now regulated in so many countries, this and that. All those good news coming in can cause Bitcoin to actually bottom out and then start to shoot up. So at this point of time, what we can try to figure is Bitcoin was still in some sort of an accumulation here. This does look like accumulation, but it's just not good enough. It needed to be a little bit longer, and that would be a nice, good accumulation. So there's shadiness into that, but nonetheless, it does look like a little bit of a sideways movement to actually go to the upside as well. So keep that in mind. That's still an accumulation that is breaking to the upside. Okay, it doesn't mean that accumulation cannot break to the downside, and it really invalidates the accumulation process of it. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed this quick update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.